When I first moved overseas, international health insurance felt like one of those I'll deal with it later things. I was focused on getting settled, finding a place to live, navigating local banking systems. Sorting out insurance wasn't top of my list. Then I had a scare that changed my perspective completely. A close friend of mine ended up in hospital after a minor accident, and the bill that followed was absolutely eye-watering. Here's the reality. If you're a UK expat without proper health cover, you'll potentially one accident or illness away from draining your savings, or worse, putting your long-term financial plan at serious risk. It's not just about hospital bills, it's the ongoing costs and logistical stress, and in some cases, even the quality of care that can be affected. So here's what I've learned. So I think the biggest thing to understand is that local private cover in your country of residence isn't the same as international cover, and it sometimes isn't enough depending on your lifestyle or your family's needs. Some expats assume that using public health system in the country of residence or just getting private medical insurance that just covers that country is sufficient. Local healthcare systems can vary wildly in terms of access, quality, and what's actually covered. International health insurance ensures you're covered across borders and often gives you access to private facilities that may be far superior to public ones. So for expats that potentially live between multiple countries on their assignment, or they're going to move to different places in quick succession, international health insurance may be more suitable. Number 2, peace of mind is such an important part of financial planning. When we talk about building wealth, most people think of investments, pensions, property, and getting returns. But financial planning isn't just about what you gain, it's also about what you protect. Good health insurance is a safety net that allows your long-term strategy to stay intact, even when life throws you a curveball. Point number 3, health insurance isn't just a cookie-cutter solution. You can tailor cover to suit your actual needs. You don't need a one-size-fits-all plan. You can customize your cover based on where you live, your lifestyle, and what really matters to you as a family. Whether that's dental cover, maternity, mental health, or simply knowing you can fly home for treatment if needed. So don't get put off by headline quotations that you might see online. Get in touch with a professional that can help you tailor a plan to your needs. If you're an expat that's serious about building wealth and creating financial freedom, then making sure you're protected is just as important as growing your assets. In business and in life, we often chase growth but ignore risk. I've learned that true financial security comes from having both sides covered. It's not the exciting stuff, but it's having the foundations right that allows you to take bolder, smarter steps with your wealth and with confidence.